Senator want to play football. Yeah. Look at Roberto Carlos.
Sorry.
Okay. Say you should sorry. As you touch back, maybe you think your bag is paid. Say you should sorry. Say. Okay. See Senator and his friend. Senator and his friend. They are playing football. Senator is JJ Okocha, while his friend is Roberto Carlos.
Are you going to?
I think so, yes.
Where is the gate? I'm looking for the gate.
The gate? No, we are going to ask you because we haven't get there.
Oh, we need to be fast though. Before you know, time will go.
That is good.
This one, yeah. So funny.
Oh, that is good. You have to do that. Yeah. The best player, Roberto Carlos and Okocha. Latest Okocha.